Hello and welcome to another folding tutorial brought to you by Popapology. In this video I'll be showing you how to fold this geometric heart design available online as part of my Origamic architecture or Kirigami pop-up card range. So once you've downloaded your file and cut your piece either by hand or by mechanical means, i.e. a plotter, you should end up with something that looks like this. This one is quite a simple design to deploy, and you will just need to kind of take special care with these connecting support structures on the side, but apart from that it should go really simply. But I will just take a bit of care and show you everything in sequence. You need to just start off by establishing your baseline crease, which is the spine of the card, by just pressing down on it whilst holding with the back kind of section quite large here. It's quite easy to do, just holding the center shape, supporting it from behind with some 3 digits. And so immediately what will happen is you will start to deploy this volume in space coming forward, as you can see here. And really just want to do this very gently in small increments, and once you have established a shallow degree of fold, don't overfold it at this stage, but just move on to the top and the bottom of the design. And again, you just want to kind of pop out these kind of square volumes here in the back, just as you do in the front. So again, literally, you'll see it's kind of really simple if you do it very gently. And really, you just want to be doing it in consistency throughout your design, so consistent pressure and consistent deployment of your shapes. So if you get ahead in one area, you just want to go back and catch up with other areas so that you have equal deployment or development of fold. So gradually you just want to bring your entire shape forward, almost as if you're kind of caressing it out of the sheet of paper. And as you can see, some of our V folds here are already kind of deploying themselves without really any effort. But what we want to do is, once we reach a 90-degree fold, right angle fold, viewed from the side, the profile of the design of the card, you can actually start to deploy all the ones that haven't been so far by just putting 1 digit underneath and just gently popping all these sections back, like so. This being probably the trickiest in the middle, because you need to kind of support it with a 3 digit from the back, and like so, you've actually kind of done the main folding kind of required to get your shape. And all that's now remaining to do is to fully deploy our card, and that's just done by bringing forward the back of our card consistently with even pressure applied all over that plane, whilst, as you can see, keeping a kind of hold on the spine of our piece as well. And literally this stage you can just collapse your piece fully down, and just because there are quite a number of layers really sort of bulking up, you can see it gets quite thick in terms of your paper at the center section. You just want to establish those creases even further by just gently kind of tapping down on the paper from the top. And then as we open it again, you'll see you have a crisp and fully deployable pop-up card ready to go. As you can see, is the nice thing about this design is all those kind of geometric elements that give us our heart shape also move and create a visual effect that is quite interesting, graphically speaking as well. And now you're ready to embellish or decorate your card in any way you wish, or in fact if you want to cover this void left behind by our volumes, you can apply a backing sheet, which I tend to prefer a kind of transparency configuration, because it gives some really beautiful lighting effects. As you can see here, if I hold it up against the light, it really creates an interesting luminous kind of result. And just by changing the color of the backing sheet, you get a radically different result. As you can see, it almost kind of glows with that strong red color. And this being a quite appropriate design for something like a Valentine's theme, you can actually introduce typography to create the full kind of message as well. And again, by using this transparency sheet, you can really make those letters come to life and jump out in space towards you. You can achieve very dramatic effects. But do experiment with your own combinations of stocks, just making sure that whatever color you choose in the background will be radically different from the front, so it creates a kind of sense of contrast and really punches through with your colors and your features. So do experiment, and if you wish, by all means, share your results online on my many platforms, Facebook or Instagram. So hope you have fun with this project, and hope to see you again soon for the next one. Happy Valentine's Day. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.